Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we are starting a new topic of man and his environment, that is flow of materials and energy in ecosystem. Define trophic level is the first question over here. Trophic level is the level at which an organism feeds in food chain. The important MCQ includes the first trophic level is made of producers and the second trophic level is made of primary consumers. The flow of energy in different trophic levels of ecosystem is unidirectional. Next, students, this is the diagram of energy flow in an ecosystem, and different trophic levels have been shown there, like producers, herbivores, carnivores, decomposers, and energy flow has been indicated over here. Define law of thermodynamics is the first question over here. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but can be transformed from one form into another. This is the definition of law of thermodynamics. Define food chain. A food chain is a series of organisms within an ecosystem in which each organism feeds on the one before it and is fed by the other after it. For example, falling is a food chain in an ecosystem. Students, this is the simple food chain in which grass goes to grasshopper, goes to sparrow, and it goes to hawk. It is a simple food chain, example of food chain. This page contains MCQs like the base of food chain always is formed by producer or by a plant. A food chain involves the nutritive interactions among the biotic components of an ecosystem. Usually there are 4 or 5 trophic levels in a food chain. Define food web is very important short question. Food web is defined as the network of food chains which are interconnected at various trophic levels. So, interconnected food chains collectively make food web. It is an important MCQ, and the definition of food web may be selected as an important MCQ. Next topic is ecological pyramids. Important MCQ include in 1927 Charles Elton, an English ecologist, developed the concept of ecological pyramids. Next is the definition of ecological pyramid. Ecological pyramid can be defined as a representation of the number of individuals or amount of biomass or energy present in various trophic levels of a food chain. How many types of ecological pyramids are there? Ecological pyramids are of 3 types. Number 1 is pyramid of numbers. Define pyramids of number. The definition of pyramids of number is given there. So a definition of ecological pyramid may be considered as an important MCQ. Other MCQ include the producers are of smallest size but maximum in number, while the tertiary consumers are larger in size but lesser in number. Students, it is the diagrammatical representation of pyramid of numbers in an ecosystem which we studied earlier. Next is the pyramid of biomass. It is the graphic representation of biomass present per unit area at different trophic levels. In our terrestrial ecosystem, the maximum biomass occurs in producers and there is progressive decrease in biomass from lower to higher trophic levels. Define biomass. The total amount of living or organic matter in an ecosystem at any time is called biomass. Alright students, these were some of the important short questions and MCQs in the given topics. Okay, thank you very much.